really warm in
It's
there.
warm in there?
Really
All right,
warm.
all right, cool. Well, I just want to, I'm just going to do that little snap.
All right, good
and
luck.
and keep my wetsuit on.
All right.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Your wetsuit?
Is this?
That's your wetsuit?
Yeah. What? This is not a wetsuit.
No, it's
No.
not.
I mean, there is some insulation value.
And you look good.
I look
Yeah, you
good.
really look
I
good.
All right, well, let's
You might
do
as
it.
well. You fit in there.
Yeah.
You did it. Nice. Ready? 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90.
Am I twice? I'm twice your volume.
95.
Yeah.
So record Mr. Price's volume is 95 liters. And make a note, why did he submerge a soccer ball here? Hey, that was a lot of fun. Hope you guys learned a little more about volume.